Hey, what's up everybody? Roberto Tan here, and today I'm inside my car doing this vlog inside the car using the Insta360 X3 because today I will be unboxing this Baseus in-auto car vacuum cleaner. So I just got this from Lazada the other day. I was looking for a portable wireless vacuum cleaner that I can use to clean any mess that happens in the car. So let's unbox. So it comes in a very nice box, well packaged, thank you. So it arrived the other day, so let's open it up. So what do we have inside? Let's see. I like the packaging, you know, for only less than 900 pesos. Looks like it's a very well worth product to buy. So this is what it looks like. So out of the box, see, it's wireless. I guess this is the on-off button. There's a cap. Let's see, just open it up. So let's see right off the box and see if it works. So then, can you hear it? It's a good noise. You hear that? Very loud, but for something very small, it's quite strong. If you can still hear me from the noise. So it sucks it in here, then from the back. So if you open this up, what do we get? So the filter is right there. I guess you can buy filter next time, and this is what it looks inside. Just wondering how to. Okay, so it's actually quite small. So this is where all the trash, I guess, will accumulate. Then just take it out afterwards and clean it. So portable, small. But yes, it looks really nice. So let's see what else we have in the box. So let's see. You have some accessories that comes with it. A 2-in-1 suction nozzle, a blowing hose, your charging cable. Here, this one is the blowing hose. So I guess that this one goes behind here. So if you want to, you have balloons or anything you want to pump up, anything, so there, you can do that. So it's 2-in-1. It's a blower and a vacuum cleaner in one. So that's very good. It's very handy. And what else do we have here? So this is the 2-in-1 suction nozzle. So you just place it here. Very easy to, there. So if you want to get into smaller spaces, you can use this. Just get all the dirt out in the car, and you can take this out and you have a different nozzle. You don't have to use the brush. So 2-in-1, very handy. And what else? Of course, charger cable. You have your manual. Always best to read the manual before you use any gadget. So it shows you what you can do, maintenance, charging, if you need to replace, any troubleshooting. So best to look at the manual before you use. And then it also comes with this nice pouch, so you can bring it with you, put all these accessories in, and very handy. So I think it's for less than 900 pesos. I think it's worth buying. If you want to purchase your own Baseus wireless vacuum, I'll leave the link below at Lazada. Very cheap, especially now it's Christmas, 12/12. So that's it for this unboxing. I'm out of here.